The Heyco RoboScrub is the latest in cleaning technology. Whilst the results are outstanding, there's also the added bonus of your teams being able to focus on other tasks while the RoboScrub does its thing. Even in complex environments, this compact scrubber dryer is able to pilot autonomously and safely whilst keeping your workplace spotless. Using a simple QR code system, the RoboScrub will clean along the exact path that it's taught, and with the capability to store up to 60 routes, you'll never miss a spot. Even cleaning actions such as lowering the scrub deck are remembered and repeated in the automated run. Safety is always paramount, and its intelligent software allows the RoboScrub to accurately identify and avoid any obstacles in real time. The simple but distinctive design includes an impressive 80-litre tank and 20-inch scrub neck, ensuring unrivaled autonomous cleaning performance. Speak to us today to discover more about the industrial cleaning solutions available to purchase or hire from Briggs Equipment.